Although in most cases coughs and colds aren't big issues, they can still turn into serious and irritating diseases if not treated on time and with proper measures. The annoying dry cough keeps distracting your attention and concentration throughout the day, making you feel extremely uncomfortable. Top 1 Natural Cure Against Flu and Cold in just one day. In this video we present you a homemade remedy that will boost your immunity, fight the pesky fly bug, and maintain your good health. The only ingredients required for this effective cough and cold remedy are onion, honey, and lemon juice. Onion is a natural antibiotic which provides strong anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It contains active compounds that loosen up mucus, thus easing your coughing. Honey offers antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, which makes it perfect for treating irritated and itchy throat. Its antiviral properties hinder the viral activity from colds. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, providing antimicrobial properties and supporting your immune system. Lemon juice and lime reduces phlegm and the strength of your cold and flu symptoms. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, squeezed juice of 1 lemon, 1 onion, cut into small pieces, 2 cups of water. Preparation: boil the water and add the onion pieces. Boil for additional 15 minutes. Remove from heat, and let onion pieces soak for 10 minutes. Strain and add the honey. Mix well and add the lemon juice prior to drinking the solution. Drink this effective remedy 3 times a day and you will be amazed by the quick results.